input, enter last name. The things together. If we want to put the space between these two things, then we can, by using the plus symbol, we can combine the space between both the first name and last name. Another question in the question mentioned, modify the above program and add hello with his or her name. This example in this way. So if we have to add something in the beginning of the first and last name, just specify that word and combine that word with the rest of the things. If you want to put some space, again you will use the same thing, put in double quotes and then use the plus symbol. Always remember the symbol ki when we are using the plus symbol with the string, it will combine the things. Let's see. First name, again I am writing the Ashok Kumar. Ashok Kumar. It will write the hello Ashok Kumar. In this way you can write. Meantime, other students can note down the code. I'm just writing the another question. Who have joined just now, then please see there is a one practice assignment in your general channel. If you are not able to see that thing, then please click on the activity option. Then you will get one assignment. Attempt that assignment. It will take hardly 2 to 3 minutes, and then come back to the class. How many have joined? 27. Now the next question is, we have to write the code that accept the age from the user and add 10 to his or her age. That means we have to add, after taking the value from the user, we have to add 10 numbers in his or her age. Again, let's take the same thing again. I'm just doing the copy and pasting the work. Here I am taking the enter age, because age is in the form of numbers. Then either we can use the symbol int, so that it will convert the string into the number form. We are just entering the name. No need to specify. That is your choice, whether you what you want to specify here. Except name and age, we have already taken the name and age. After that, we are just displaying. Add 10 to his or her age. We can display his name also. If you want to print the age, then you can print the age also. Or before printing, you can specify your age is separate with comma. Or you can specify after adding your age is. You can specify anything, or if you want to put some space, then you can use the /t also. That is purely up to you how you are doing the formatting in your code. And in exam, it is not specified and it is not fixed that you have to use all the formatting. Just focus on only on the coding part. Suppose I am writing Ashok, last name. Okay, it is taking the value of the first code also. Enter name. Again I am writing Ashok. Okay, suppose I am writing 12. Then Ashok, your age is 12. After adding 10, your age is 22. Then those students who have joined just now, please write the code and you can see there is a practice exercise on in your activity tab, or you can check that practice exercise in your general channel also. Please see that assignment and attempt those questions. And those students who have done it, then please note down these code emails.